Right, so we're here at the Miss Louisiana pageant. What happens? They try to smoke it up before everyone walks in and set up the alarm. Which is, I think I Miss Louisiana first.
Glad you played the right song.
Well, just be confident. You know, we don't high five like this.
7 minutes, just hang tight. When the last two are up there, they're gonna say you're.
They're gonna line up. The rest of the girls will leave the stage, and the top 5 will answer their questions.
Josh, get this in here. I got you, bro.
No, you don't.
No, you don't, Josh.
Hey, come out. The vlog doesn't know the story. Tell him. Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? Say hey to the vlog. Say hey to the vlog. About to get started on the show here, but here's a little walkthrough. Here we go, the band's up here. Drums, bass, electric 2. On this side, it's my side right here. Acoustic, electric, led by Brent May. You can call him, he's like the cheer captain, but for the band. And over there is my keyboard and my Rubik's Cube. Tonight's gonna be epic. Super pumped about this. Show you some more behind the scenes stuff if I don't get in trouble.
Hey, turnarounds are quick. We have commercials to get set. Other than that, it's pretty straightforward. Remember, we did change a couple things up. I don't know if Matt, if you were here today when we did that.
Brent, dude, your arms look huge in this photo, man.
We don't reprise move at the beginning. As soon as we finish move, it goes straight into commercial. And then also at the very end, after Josh and them do You Raise Me Up, make sure you have somebody to take the violin.
Oops, sorry.
And then
What's up, Wayne?
Hey, what's up? Hey, break.
look for my cue when to exit stage. There's only gonna be a couple awards tonight. 5th runner-up for or 4th, 3rd, whatever. Up there, so we stay up there after Paradise City for a good 6 or 7 minutes and just hang tight. When the last two are up there, they're gonna say your new Miss Louisiana is so and so. Bum 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 bum.
All right, guys, let's break. 1, 2, 3. You look good. Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, backstage here. Julianne, what's up? Y'all, this is my friend Julianne. Isn't she beautiful?
Hey.
She compete in pageants. Your thoughts?
You know, maybe.
So this is for my vlog, Julianne. Anything you want to tell the people out there?
About what, life?
What it's like being in pageant, working backstage, even that transition.
It's been awesome. You get to eat all of the brownies.
Okay,
and
that's good.
Drink all the sweet tea.
Yeah.
It's great. But competing pageants was awesome. It was something that got me through school. We had to be professional, how to speak in front of people, and all kinds of things. But great.
So two of the contestants. I'm without names. You're gonna have to say your name.
I'm Miss
Awesome. And you're the one who helped me with the video.
Yes!
All right, so I just posted it. Tag yourself. I want to give you creds.
Okay.
Yo, are you pumped, Matt? Dude, I am stoked about it. Oh, where's it at? Where's the camera? There it is. It's right there. Hey. This is brought to you by Cane's. Product placement. Good. Very good. Solid.
Yeah.
Right over here. Oh, wow. What's going on in this area? Taking pictures back there. Literal royalty. Do you want to say to my vlog? What are your names and what's your role here?
I'm Jenna. I'm the assistant choreographer.
Very nice. You can say it twice as loud though, because of the music.
More than I'm on the Pepsi crew.
Yo, that's what's up. Y'all both names are J.
Yeah.
And mine, that's 3 J's. Useless facts. Alright. Oh look, it's Brent, guys. It's Brent! Oh my goodness, it's Steven! Hey Steven, say hey to my vlog, bro. Hey Joshua Green Vlog. Hey man, I just want you to know you're the man.
Well, thank you.
The myth and the legend.
Thank you.
All right, so I'm here with some formers, but yet they're always queens in our hearts. Make sure that, you know, it looks good for you guys. I think so, oh my gosh, it's Topio. How's it going, girls? So, what's it like to be queens, like real life queens?
Well, we're not queens anymore.
Oh, you are. Once you're crowned, you're always crowned.
We're always queens. It's nice being on this side.
What's it like being friends with a crazy person like me, though?
It's rough. It's a rough ride. Like, it's awesome. It's entertaining. Always.
That's what I like to hear.
Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Hey, can y'all do me a favor and sing Hello from the Other Side real quick to them? Yo, that was lit. We just finished. It was so crazy. Brent, how do you feel that went? Perfect. How do you feel it went?
Huh?
How do you feel it went?
Yeah.
That, the opening number.
It was great.
It's a three-pointer. The best you can make in basketball. All right, this is intense, guys. We're about to announce top 10 live televised, so this is so much energy. All right, here we go.
Contestant number 27 is King River Joe.
Contestant number 14 is Ricky Wanda.
We're looking for contestant number 1.
Contestant number 16.
Contestant number 15, Miss Shreveport.
We're looking for contestant number 22, Miss Spirit of the Washington, Molly Humphrey.
Come on down, contestant number 13, Miss Dixie Jump Team, Alexander.
Contestant number 28, Miss St. Tammany Harrison, Emily Brandon.
Contestant number 24, Miss Taste of the Twin Cities, Jalen Harrison.
Our last top 10 finalist for Miss Louisiana 2017 is contestant number 11, Iconic Pilot.
Yo, they just announced top 10. Crazy. All right, don't kill me. All right. What's up? What's up? What's up? What are your thoughts about the top 10, Blake?
They're pretty solid.
Scale 1 to 2, how would you rate it?
Definitely 2.
Wow. 2 out of 2, ladies and gentlemen. Eric, what are your thoughts about top 10?
I got 6 high fives.
What's up? All right.
6 high fives. Yeah. So
Matt, yes. How do you feel about him actually getting a high five from some of the contestants?
I think that, you know, after 24 hours of preparation, we believed him the whole time.
You coached him, didn't you? I
We
saw
did.
you actually coaching him.
We did.
What are some of the tips you gave him?
Well, just be confident. You know, we don't high five like this.
No, that's weird.
We got to be a confidence. You got to have confidence in yourself and
Yeah.
the 5. The 5.
Yeah.
And be firm.
3.
But be
Right.
gentle. Gentle.
That's good.
Gentle.
A little higher.
Gentle. Gentle.
Awesome. Dance off. All right, the real princesses are coming through. About to get lit in here. Okay, this means that we're doing You Look Good next, right? That would be a no. All right, just finished swimsuit. It was lit. It was awesome. Here with April, who sung the song before. Hey, what's up? How are you?
Glad you played the right song.
If If at any time there's an awkward silence, that probably means you're the one that's supposed to be playing. And if at any time during that silence you start playing and everybody's looking at you, that's probably a sign that you're playing the wrong song. Josh, get this in here. I got you, bro.
No, you don't.
No, you don't.
No, you don't, Josh.
Hey, come out. The vlog doesn't know the story. Tell him.
Story.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, there's 100 little kids on stage. There's Miss April Nelson, Miss Louisiana 2015.
Glad you played the right song.
On stage in a big ball gown. Clearly, not swimsuit.
There's a piano.
Clearly, piano on
The
stage.
opposite of swimsuit.
Everything indicating that this is the kids' song. And then they introduce the kids' song, and then once we click it off, here's what it sounds like. Nothing. You look at Josh, he's over there.
Josh, start.
Josh, start. Okay, I got you, bro.
The brightest horns ever.
Nope. Okay.
My bad. Is that right? No, that wasn't
What was Darius doing during that time? Speaking of the devil.
Wait, hey, I know I've never started this song before, but do I do it tonight?
All right, bye,
That could be
Dad.
good.
Bye, Dad. Hey, April, so when we do Beauty and the Beast and I start You Look Good, what are you going to do?
I'm gonna kill you.
All right, if I end up dead, guys, you know who.
I'm not gonna kill you. I might throw my hearing at you or something.
Okay. Up through the evening gown production, I think. Then everyone else over here is loading up. Come on. Just seems like an extra regal tonight. Justine, can you give a little pageant wave? That'd be a no. Hey, who are you guys and what are you doing here?
We're
going to dance while you're playing for us, actually.
All right.
We just got word of this yesterday.
I remember that.
Routine yesterday afternoon and then performed it last night.
And what are y'all's names?
My name's Nathaniel. This is Reagan.
Where do you take dance? Where do you study?
Missy Crane.
Missy Crane.
And she is one of the local studios here.
Excuse me, can you stop talking? Thank you.
Quiet.
What's about to happen right now?
We are getting ready to do on-stage questions.
Killed it. Live reaction from the top 10.
I was like, piano, slow down.
Can we get a live dab from the audience? 3, 2, 1. Great, great, awesome.
Did you read the questions?
Hey, what are we about to do right now?
We are getting ready to do on-stage questions.
Oh my goodness. All right, I'm gonna get out y'all's way. Good luck, everybody. It's Hope. Oh my gosh, it's Hope Anderson. So what's about to happen? They're about to announce what?
They're about to announce the top 5. They're going to line up. The rest of the girls will leave the stage. And the top 5 will answer their questions.
So wait, it happens at the same time. So they announce it and they go straight to question?
Well, they're going to line up. The top 5 will line up, and then the other girls will leave the stage. And then 5 of them.
So intense. Okay. Hey, Dad. Is that much supposed to be there? It's supposed to be further over stage. Right.
All right, I will ask our official auditor for the card naming our top 5 finalists. Thank you. We appreciate it. Ladies, are you ready? Audience, are you ready? Our first top 5 finalist is contestant number 11,
Our next top 5 finalist is contestant number 14.
Our next finalist is contestant number 27, Miss Kate.
Contestant number 15, Miss Street.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have one slot left. Contestant number 28, Miss
So exciting.
They're on-stage questions. This phase of competition accounts for 20% of the contestant's score. Contestants will grab one of the questions from the list, and then we go from there and we'll answer it. Let's begin with contestant number 11, our pilot, Lauren Ford. How are you doing tonight?
I'm doing great. How are you? I'm excited. I already have my question.
Well, that's all right.
She's ready. She's ready.
Ask the question for you.
All right, Lauren. Your question. Social media is an important part of life. If chosen as Miss Louisiana, how would you use social media to promote this brand? Answer. Email. President Donald Trump has come under fire for his late-night tweets. Is it appropriate for the leader of any country to use social media to get their message? The United States Supreme Court has ruled that cannot be banned from social media. This allows
Blacked out, I swear.
offenders to access groups that could influence compliance. Should there be laws?
Thank you.
Hey. Very excited. Very excited.
Michelle Carter was just found guilty of involuntary manslaughter for the death of her boyfriend because she encouraged him through text messages to kill himself. Do you think she should have been charged?
I believe one left.
Recently, Harvard University withdrew acceptance offers to a number of incoming freshmen because of their social media posts. Should social media accounts be taken into consideration when applying to college? Well, there they are, ladies and gentlemen, the top 5 finalists for Miss Louisiana 2017. That is it.
Hey Brent, right here is you look good, right?
Correct.
All right, cool.
Top 5. Dance.
That finger dance is pretty convincing.